In this video, I'll show you how to create a Scrum project in Jira with Claude AI. First, sign into your Claude account and start a new chat. Next, ask Claude to create a Scrum project for Jira. You can request epics, user stories, tasks, priorities, and sprint information in a CSV format that can be imported into Jira. After that, once Claude generates the project structure, download the file to your computer. Now, open Jira and sign into your account. Next, go to Settings, then System, and look for External System Import. After that, select CSV as the import type and choose the file you downloaded from Claude. Now, Jira will open a series of setup pages to guide you through the import process. Follow the prompts and continue through each step. Next, map the fields if Jira asks you to match columns from the CSV file to Jira fields. Then click Continue. After that, keep following the import wizard. Jira will guide you based on the contents of the file and the project settings you're using. Now, continue clicking through the remaining setup pages until the import process is complete. Once the import finishes, Jira will automatically create the issues, tasks, stories, and other items contained in the file. Finally, review the imported project, verify that everything was created correctly, and begin organizing your Scrum board and sprints. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to create a Scrum project in Jira with Claude AI. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.